Welcome back, folks. My name is Nick Dodds and I build custom WordPress websites. You can find me at WebDevDodds.ca, which is this website here. In this video, we are going to be talking about how to edit the content on your website. If you have a website built by me, one thing I'm always striving for is to make it as user-friendly as possible. The reason for this is not just so that you have control and that you don't have to pay me to make minor edits on your website, but more importantly, because I am not going to be an expert in every field I build websites for, and it's best that the content of those websites comes from people who are experts in that field, presumably yourself for your organization or somebody in your organization. So part of it is expedience to save you some money, but more importantly, websites are living things. They need to change, and to make that content really effective, it needs to come from someone who really knows what they're talking about. And when it comes to web development, I certainly do, but in other fields I do not. So let's get started here. First, like I said, we have this hero section. So to get to be able to edit our content, we simply need to put in our web address with a back or a /admin. That'll bring us to our login page. And then once on our login page, we'll go to our dashboard. All right, and all right, once we are at our dashboard, there's all kinds of great things on here, but I'm going to keep this really simple. Most important part is our side menu here, and of that menu is our pages. So this is where we create, and all of our pages are stored. They're all listed here. All right. The first page we are going to edit is our home page. While we're doing that, I'm just going to open up a second page so that we can see the changes as we make them. All right. Now looking at this, it's very simple. It's just a bunch of boxes. So here we have the title of the page. It is called Home, and that appears in our menu right here. So now let's say we change the name of that to, I don't know, landing, as if we had a landing page or something. We never call it that, but I just want you to be able to see the edits. And around we go. There we are. All right, I'm going to refresh this page so those edits will appear. And there we go. You see it's changed the landing. All right. So what I do, that is a field that comes with WordPress automatically, but what I do when I build the code for your website is I create little placeholders in the code for all of this content. So the headline here, those unique value propositions, UVPs, that parallax image, that's the image that's in the background when we're scrolling. It's a little divider. It's got the little phrase in it. So I create placeholders for those in the code that tell the WordPress to take whatever we type into here and to put it in the right location. So we'll just give you another little example. Maybe I wanted to say you could have an awesome, oh look at that. I still have the N in N from the previous recording of this video. So when we make a change, we just need to hit update. It will update. There we go. And if we refresh our page, you can see that it's added. You could have an awesome website just like this. And you can also see I changed it back to home. I hit update, so it saved that change. Now I'm not going to make this video too long by going through all of these. I'm just going to get rid of that change. But there's one other piece I want to show you, and that is this cool little icon picker. So these are called Font Awesome icons, and it's really simple to pick an icon. You simply just click on the icon that you like. You can test them out. Maybe let's see if we can find a really cool, look, a space shuttle. Yep, definitely want that one. All right, and then we click update. And we refresh our page. See, it's a thumbs up there. And now it's a space shuttle. Right on. And that is all it takes to update your website. Just picking icons, typing in what you want to see. The other unique value propositions are in tabs here so that the page doesn't get too overwhelming. It's really easy to pick out what you need. There are a couple other different kinds of fields we might use. For example, this one here, I'm going to get rid of that image. This is an image field and it just says add image. This is a media library that you create by simply uploading files. Where it says add image, you initially won't have anything in here. Click upload a file, select the image you want. I of course already have the image I would like. I click select image and it's there. And I think I'm going to keep this video nice and short and finish off there. In the next one we'll be talking about another way to add content that is really powerful called custom post types. I hope you join me for it. Thanks.